Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Cozy English Podcast, where learning English feels calm and easy. I'm Sophie.
Hi, everyone. Just 1 second. Okay, sent.
Oh, what are you doing? You're on your phone.
Sorry, I was texting my friend Lisa. We're trying to make plans for this weekend.
Oh, what are you planning?
That's the problem. We've been texting back and forth for 20 minutes and we still haven't decided anything.
What's the issue?
She suggested coffee. I said maybe lunch instead. She said, what about Saturday? I said, I'm busy Saturday. She said, Sunday then? I said, morning or afternoon. It's endless.
Welcome to the struggle of making plans.
Why is it so hard? We just want to meet up.
Because there are so many details. When, where, what time, what to do.
And we can't decide on anything.
You know what? This is actually our perfect topic for today.
What is?
Making plans with friends. How to suggest activities, agree on times, negotiate what to do.
Oh, this is exactly what I need right now.
Perfect timing, and maybe we can help you figure out your plans with Lisa.
Please, I need help.
Let's teach everyone, and you, how to make plans smoothly. Mike, why do you think making plans is sometimes hard?
Well, everyone is busy. Different schedules.
Exactly. I work weekends, I'm busy on Friday, I have plans Saturday morning.
And different preferences. I want pizza, they want sushi.
Right. People want different things, and sometimes people are indecisive.
Like Lisa. She always says, I don't know, what do you want to do?
That makes it harder, but we can learn phrases to make it easier. Let's start with how to suggest plans. The simplest way is, do you want to? Do you want to get coffee? Do you want to see a movie?
Do you want to hang out this weekend?
Perfect. Hang out means spend time together casually. You can also say, would you like to? More polite.
Would you like to go for lunch?
Great. Or, how about? How about we meet for dinner? How about going to the park?
How about Saturday afternoon?
Yes. You can also say, let's. Let's grab coffee. Let's catch a movie.
Let's is very casual and friendly.
Exactly. Use it with close friends.
What are other casual ways to suggest plans?
You can say, want to? Super informal. Want to get lunch? Want to come over?
Want to watch the game together?
Perfect. Or, we should. We should hang out soon. We should try that new restaurant.
We should do something this weekend.
Great. That's open-ended. You're suggesting plans without specifics.
So the other person can help decide what?
Exactly. Now, when someone suggests plans, how do you say yes?
Just yes or sure.
Those work, but you can be more enthusiastic. That sounds great. I'd love to. I'm in.
Sounds good to me.
I'm down. Very casual. Count me in. Absolutely.
Perfect. Let's do it.
Excellent. You're showing enthusiasm. What if someone suggests something but you can't do it? You suggest an alternative.
Like, I can't do Saturday, how about Sunday?
Exactly. I'm busy Friday, but I'm free Saturday. I can't do lunch. What about dinner?
I can't do morning, can we do afternoon instead?
Perfect. You're being helpful and flexible.
That restaurant is closed Monday, how about the one downtown?
Great. You're solving problems.
What if I really can't make it? How do I say no politely?
You can say, I'd love to, but, and give a reason. I'd love to, but I have other plans. I'd love to, but I'm working that day.
I'd love to, but I'm visiting family this weekend.
Perfect. The I'd love to, but softens the no. You can also say, I can't make it this time, but maybe next week?
I'm sorry, I can't this Saturday. Can we do it another time?
Excellent. You're saying no, but leaving the door open. Sometimes you're not sure if you can make it. You can say, maybe, I'm not sure yet. Let me check my schedule.
I might be able to. I'll let you know.
Good. Or I'll have to see. It depends on. I need to check something first.
So I'm not committing yet.
Right, but follow up later. Don't leave them hanging.
Let me check and I'll text you tomorrow.
Perfect. You're giving a timeline.
Okay, we agreed to meet. Now we need to decide when and where.
Yes. For time, you ask, what time works for you? What time is good? When are you free?
What time should we meet?
Perfect. For place, you ask, which location? Where do you want to go?
Should we meet at the cafe or the park?
Great. You're giving options. Once you've decided everything, you confirm. So we're meeting at 3 p.m. at the cafe.
You're double-checking all the details.
Exactly. Just to confirm, Saturday at 5 p.m., right? So it's Sunday lunch at noon.
Okay, so we'll meet at the cinema at 7.
And they'll confirm, yes, see you then. Perfect.
So there's no confusion.
Exactly. Everyone knows the plan.
What if something comes up and I need to change plans?
You contact them as soon as possible. Hey, something came up. Can we reschedule? I'm so sorry. I have to cancel.
Sorry, I can't make it today. Can we do tomorrow instead?
Good. Always apologize and suggest a new time. I'm really sorry. Can we meet next week instead?
Something unexpected happened. Can we postpone?
Perfect. Postpone means move to a later time. If you're going to be late, text immediately. Sorry, I'm running 10 minutes late.
So they're not waiting and wondering.
Exactly. Sorry, traffic is bad. I'll be there in 15 minutes. Sorry, I'm running behind. Be there soon.
My train was delayed. I'll be about 20 minutes late.
And when you arrive, apologize. Sorry, I'm late. Thanks for waiting.
It's polite and respectful. What about plans with multiple friends? That's even harder.
So much harder. Everyone has different schedules.
How do you coordinate?
You can create a group chat. Hey everyone, when are you all free this weekend?
Everyone can see everyone's responses.
Right. Or you can suggest a specific plan. Who's free for dinner Friday night?
Anyone want to see the new movie this weekend?
Good. And people respond. Not all plans are made in advance. Sometimes plans are spontaneous, made at the last minute.
Interesting. Like what?
Hey, I'm at the cafe. Want to join me? I'm going for a walk. Want to come?
I'm free now. Want to grab lunch?
Perfect. Very casual and immediate. The other person might say, sure, where are you? Or, I can't right now, maybe later.
So it's more flexible.
Exactly. No pressure. Okay, let's solve your problem. What exactly does Lisa want to do?
She said, I don't know. What do you want to do?
Okay, you need to take charge. Suggest something specific.
Okay, how about we get brunch on Sunday at 11 a.m.?
Perfect. Specific time, specific activity.
I'm sending it now. Okay, sent?
What does she say?
She said, sounds good. Where?
Great, she agreed. Now suggest a place.
How about the cafe on Main Street? Sent?
Look at you go, making plans efficiently.
She said, perfect. See you there. We did it.
Yes, see everyone? Being specific helps. Let's review common phrases. Let's hang out means spend time together casually.
Let's catch up means talk and share news.
Let's grab means get something quickly. Let's grab coffee. Let's grab lunch.
Let's grab drinks.
Yes, catch a movie means watch a movie. Do something means any activity.
These are all casual and friendly.
Plans with close friends are casual, but plans with colleagues or acquaintances are more formal.
So the language changes?
A bit. With friends, want to hang out? With colleagues, would you like to meet for coffee?
With friends, let's do something. With colleagues, shall we schedule a meeting?
Perfect. You're adjusting to the relationship.
Are you a planner or more spontaneous?
I'm a planner. I like to schedule things in advance.
So you're organized.
Yes, I like knowing what's happening. I'll say, let's meet next Saturday at 2 p.m. Very specific.
And what if someone is vague?
It drives me crazy. Let's meet sometime. When? Where? I need details.
You like structure.
I do. What about you?
I'm more flexible. I'm okay with let's figure it out later.
So we're opposites.
Completely.
You seem to struggle with planning.
Not always, just when the other person is also indecisive.
Fair enough. What's your ideal planning process?
Someone suggests something specific, I say yes, or suggest an alternative, we confirm, done.
Quick and simple.
Exactly, no endless back and forth.
That's reasonable. By the way, planning styles can vary by culture.
How so?
In some cultures, plans are very precise, exact time, exact place. In others, it's more flexible.
Like, let's meet around 3-ish?
Exactly. Some cultures are okay with approximate times, others expect punctuality.
That's good to know when making plans with people from different backgrounds.
Very important. Let's practice making plans. You suggest something, I'll respond.
Okay. Hey, want to get lunch this week?
Sure. When are you free?
I'm free Tuesday or Thursday.
Tuesday works. What time?
How about 12:30?
Perfect. Where should we meet?
That new Italian place downtown?
Yes, I've wanted to try it. So Tuesday at 12:30 at the Italian restaurant.
Exactly. See you then.
See, everyone? Smooth and efficient.
Questions and answers back and forth.
Perfect planning. Let's review the most important phrases.
Yes.
Suggesting, do you want to, how about, let's, want to.
Agreeing? Sounds great. I'd love to. I'm in. Sure.
Declining, I'd love to, but I can't make it. Maybe another time.
Confirming? So we're meeting at... Just to confirm. See you then.
These cover most planning situations.
They do.
Everyone, we hope this episode makes planning easier for you.
Tell us, are you good at making plans? Do you prefer planning ahead or being spontaneous?
Share in the comments.
And use these phrases next time you make plans with friends.
Clear communication makes everything easier.
Absolutely.
Oh, I just got a text from Emma.
What does she say?
She said, want to see a movie this weekend?
Perfect timing. What are you going to say?
I'm free Saturday evening.
So tell her. Be specific.
Okay, Saturday at 7 p.m. We could see that new comedy.
Look at you, applying what we just taught.
I know. Oh, she replied. She said, perfect. I'll buy tickets.
Done. Easy.
Wait, do you want to come too? Make it a group thing?
To the movie?
Yes, it'll be fun.
What time was it? 7 p.m. Saturday?
Yes, the new comedy.
Okay, I'm in. I'll meet you there.
Great. I'll tell her we're 3 now.
See, everyone? We just made plans in real time.
Practice makes perfect.
Thanks for listening.
Make some plans this week.
And have fun.
Goodbye, everyone.
See you next time.